Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S21 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the recents, and you can do it by tapping on this 3 bars icon, so let's do it. And as you can see here, we've got the place where all previously opened apps are stored, and you can remove only, not remove, but close only one of it. Just find it and swipe it up just like that. It's quite easy. But you can close all of them just by tapping on close all. As you can see, we just got back to our homepage, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recently used apps, so it means that we successfully closed all running apps. So actually that's all. This is how to close background apps in your Samsung Galaxy S21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.